Ichiyo's Japanese Online Lesson。
皆さんこんにちは。私の名前はIchiyoと言います。My name is Ichiyo. I'm holding private Japanese lessons online. 今日の内容は即音とよう音についてです。Today's content is about 即音 and よう音。
Today's content is related to Ichiyo's Japanese textbook startup guide. To understand our explanations correctly, please read the textbook before you watch this video. The textbook is included in our welcome lesson package. Before you continue watching this video, please watch the prior video in this series.
それでは今日のレッスンを始めましょう。Now, let's get today's lesson started.
About English narrator. I'm an English narrator. In our videos, I read the English sentences instead of Japanese teacher Ichiyo so that English speakers can understand our content easily. But I can't read the Japanese language correctly. Whenever any Japanese language needs to be spoken, a Japanese native will always read them.
即音。Firstly, I'll explain what 即音 is. The small つ is the 即音。即音
Is indicated using the small
つ
and it indicates a slight pause.
即音
Create a longer period of articulation between two syllables. We sometimes call
即音小さいつ小さいつ
means small.
つ
These are some examples of vocabulary which have
即音
included in them. From the top,
学校
it means school.
学校 There is a slight pause after we pronounce the ががが学校学校 The next one is 切手切手
It means postage stamp.
There is a slight pause after we pronounce the ききき切手切手 Next is バッグバッグ
It means bag.
We write it in カタカナ There is a slight pause after we pronounce the ばばばバッグバッグよう音
I'll explain about
よう音
next. This is the
よう音
chart.
よう音
Literally means twisted sound.
よう音
Are indicated using small
やゆ
or
よよう音の発音を聞いてください。Please listen to my pronunciation of each よう音。キャ、キャ、キュ、キュ、キョ、キョ、シャ、シャ、シュ、シュ、ショ、ショ、チャ、 茶、ちゅ、ちょ、にゃ、にゅ、にょ、ひゃ、ひゅ、ひょ、みゃ、みゅ、みょ、りゃ、りゅ、りょ、ぎゃ、ぎゅ、ぎょ、じゃ、じゅ、じょ、びゃ、びゅ、びょ、ぴゃ、ぴゅ、ぴょ、I'll show you some vocabulary using Yōon. 教室、
It means classroom.
教室 The first kanji is read as 教 The second kanji is read as 室貯金
It means savings.
貯金 The first kanji is read as 貯 The second kanji is read as 金準備
It means preparation.
準備 The first kanji is read as 準 The second kanji is read as 備キャベツ
It means cabbage.
We write this one in katakana キャベツ
Thank you for watching today's video. Please practice
即音
and
陽音
many times until you master both of them. In particular, please pay extra attention to your pronunciation.
When I was learning English, not a single teacher checked my spoken pronunciation or sentence structure. Many Japanese English teachers are unable to speak English correctly. That is why I now speak English with a strong Japanese accent. 3 years ago, I started to fix my English pronunciation. But it has been a long road since I have spoken English incorrectly for so long. In order for you to not have the same fate, we will check your Japanese anytime if you become our student. We offer many services to improve your Japanese. If you want to know more about our private lessons, please check out our website, Ichiyo's Japanese Online Lesson. The link is in the description of this video. 次回の動画はこちらです。I hope you will continue to visit my YouTube channel. We often upload new videos. それでは次回の動画でお会いしましょう。See you in the next video.